Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying inside and staying safe away from people. I know that it's making everyone super depressed and crazy, but I don't want to keep talking about all the sad, depressing stuff going on in the world. So for some reason, a lot of you have been asking for me to do a hair curling tutorial. I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to hair whatsoever. I literally brush it, wash it, sometimes blow dry it, sometimes curl it, sometimes flat iron it, and that's about the extent. I've never colored it before, I've never highlighted it, luckily, so I don't have to spend tons of money on my hair. I'll get it trimmed once in a while, but that's all I know. Yeah, I don't know why you guys wanted to see this, but I'm giving y'all what you wanted, and here's a little hair tutorial for you all. So this is my natural hair. It has a little bit of wave to it, some like weird kinks here and there, but I usually just let it air dry naturally. Unless I have somewhere to go, then I'll blow dry it, but I usually don't have anywhere to go, especially now in this quarantine, so I probably blow dry my hair maybe once a week, if that. I don't know why, but I hate regular curling irons with like the clampy thing. I don't know, like I said, I don't know anything about hair at all. I'm just gonna keep saying this. I have no idea what I'm talking about in this video, but you all keep asking for it, so this is what you get. I used to only use the brand NuMe, their curling ones. I really loved those, but I don't know what happened to mine when I was moving, and I realized I didn't have a curling wand or anything when we moved into our apartment, so I ran to Target and just grabbed some random curling wand. This is the curling wand I always use, and it does the trick. I always like my hair, how it comes out, so whatever. I don't know if you want to hit me up and do my hair for me, that'd be great. I use the Kristen S curling wand. The barrel is 1 1/4 inches. This is just what I use, and I like it because it's rose gold. The box says that it gives you soft waves and voluminous curls. Yes, it does. Innovative handle rotates 180 to 90 degrees for easy styling. I don't know what that means. It has negative ions that help lock in moisture, enhance shine, and eliminate frizz, which is nice. And it has 4 temperature presets up to 425 degrees, which is what I need to hold in my hair. I need a really hot tool. And it shuts off automatically after 30 minutes. I do have my wine here to help me get through this. Always need wine. Cheers. So to start off, I section my hair off, and I'll just do the bottom part first. And I like using scrunchies because I heard that they do less damage to your hair. So like that. So I just pull the top half up and I'll put it in a weird looking bun to get it out of the way. Here we go. Nice and cute. Okay. And then I'll separate the back to 2 sections so that they're in the front. So the hair is separated, just a small bottom layer. So what I'll do is I'll start from the back and I'll take just a little piece, probably like an inch or 2 thick. I just don't know. And then I'm gonna take my curling one that turned off. So I have to wait for it to get hot again. That damn automatic shut off feature. Okay, it's still hot, so we can start. I like to do my curls away from me, so I'll take, knocking everything over with the cord. So I'll take the wand from behind my head and just wrap it around all the way, and then I'll hold it for like usually 15 or 20 seconds. And then I'll unwrap it. Have a nice loose little curl there. And then we'll go in and separate again and take another little chunk of hair and wrap it around again away from you. All the way, and then hold that for another 10 seconds. Just fell out. Okay, that was like 5 seconds, so it worked. Whatever. And then we'll do the last little piece on this side. Okay, and I put that down, and I will spray it with some extra strong hold hairspray. This is the Big Sexy Hair Spray and Play Harder. It's a firm volumizing hairspray. And I think that I just needed hairspray one day, and I needed my boyfriend to go out and get me some, and this is what he got me, so whatever, it works. So I'll just spray that and kind of push it up a little bit. Oh my god. Look at my shirt! Oh my god. That is so up. Okay, well, just ignore the hairspray stains on my shirt now. We're gonna go to the other side. And like I said, take a little piece from the back, and then I'm gonna go away from me again on this side. Beautiful. Then we're going to spray the hairspray and try not to get it all over our shirt this time. Now I'm going to take down my bun, and we're going to section the hair again. Then I'll just bring everything back up to the front, and I'll pull the curls out that I already did and separate them from the top layer. And then we'll just repeat the same in this layer. Now, let's try the hairspray thing again. Okay. There we go. Now I'm starting to look like Shirley Temple, but that's okay because it's not what we're gonna look like at the end. Now, actually, no, scratch that. I'm gonna chug some wine first. You have to reward yourself for getting one side done. Okay, now we'll repeat the same steps on the other side. Start from the back. Okay, what's that? The hairspray again. And the last layer, take the top down. And middle part, I'll just kind of like make a rough middle part down the back and pull it all forward. And then I'll separate the top that isn't curled from the curled bottom. I'll kind of brush this part out. Use the brush for one. Then start from the back and away. Okay, now the front here, I like to wrap it all up and then I'll pull it out maybe like 6 inches because I don't want it curled like super high at the top of my face. I like when it falls around the middle of my face, so I'll pull it out a little bit so that the top can curl. Spray again. Brush out and then straighten back. Now I look crazy. So we're just gonna let this sit for about like a minute or two and spray it again. Make sure everything's sprayed. I don't know if you guys all need this much hairspray, but my hair just does not hold for the life of me, so I have to use a lot. So some wine while we wait. Delicious. So now what I'm going to do is take my brush and just gently brush through all of the curls. This is a wet brush, by the way. I don't know what brush I should be using. If you have a recommendation, comment down below. But yeah, this is all your girl knows. And then we're gonna spray it again, just so that shape holds. Now we have some beautiful, soft liquids. Nice little hair curling tutorial for you all. I hope you guys enjoyed this little hair tutorial. It's not my forte whatsoever, so please let me know your feedback. And if you did like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.